Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take a resonate, leave what does not. Energy is fluid. Okay? It's always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine, place it whatever way it needs to be placed. Now, anchoring this reading is SEX, the three-letter word. The unseen is dark magic. So sex magic. Dark magic is the sex magic. Let's go and get into it. This is too much. This is too much. Let's get into it and see what the heck is going on. Clarify this three-letter word. SEX, please, Spirit. What is it that we need to know? What's going on with the YouTube collective with this SEX energy? Okay. Coffee cup. Meeting and conversing. Savoring the moment. Feeling uplifted. Friendship. So is there a friendship here? Something platonic? A situationship? Because that's what it is. Oh, we're not together. That's just my friend. So somebody just having, it's like maybe this is like a platonic type of situation thing. You know, maybe not. Maybe this isn't something serious. I feel like you guys might meet up, converse, shoot the shit, do whatever, hang out or something like that. But again, it's like this is not, you know, it's somebody's friend though. But what's going on with this dark magic? See, you gotta be careful with that. What happened? Clarify this coffee cup energy. What's going on? Clarify this coffee cup energy. One more. Gratitude. We got travel at the bottom of the deck. The first card that came out is ego. Hurt ego. Ego getting in the way of a relationship. So it seems like whoever this person is that you see as just simply a friend. The reason why I feel like it hasn't grown to become more is because of someone being very egotistical, possibly prideful, which which gets in the way of the connection of possibly becoming more. I'm seeing this person, there's an energy of bad karma here because of the dark magic that they have been doing. It's almost like taking away someone's free will. You didn't want anything to be connected to this person because you didn't. You shouldn't even have to explain yourself. I feel like whoever this person is may be someone that you may have separated from, or you're getting ready to separate from, because I see wants you back. Whoever this person is someone that you, like I said, you getting ready to separate from this person, or you have already separated from whoever this person is, and then we have to travel here. You moving away. There's an energy of you guys moving away from whoever this person is. It's like an energy this person might wants to meet up and converse with you and talk to you. So you guys may not even be talking, place whatever way it needs to be placed. But again, the ego is a huge factor here as to what's going on with this reading. Clarify, well, not even just ego, it's the dark magic for me. Okay, clarify this ego. Trying to go upon, infringe upon your free will. Clarify ego. What happened? You're someone that speaks up for themselves, stand up for themselves. There's an energy of you've been through a lot. You're coming out as the wounded warrior. And I'm seeing like there is a lesson here. I don't know, maybe you've learned some sort of lesson with whoever this person is. Because I am seeing you guys coming together. All right. I'm seeing there's a King of Pentacles energy out here, strong Taurus energy. Or it could be Capricorn towards Virgo, and we have the Empress energy out here. So it seems like this King of Pentacles was connected to a Empress. This could be a mother figure or something like that, or this could just simply be a high-ranking spiritual, divine feminine. I was going to say Earth angel. Yeah, because I'm definitely seeing you guys like collaborating, coming together, working together in some form of fashion. But I'm seeing wounded warrior energy, like somebody is wounded. There's an energy of needing healing. Is what I'm seeing here. Yeah, I'm seeing somebody investing. There's energy of investing time, money, energy. One more for this ego energy. Yeah, this could be someone that you have a family with. With this Ten of Cups, long-term relationship, marriage, or something like that. Possibly you just have children together or something like that, something of that nature. But again, maybe you guys, even still, I'm still seeing an energy of friendship out here. Like it's not nothing serious. This might be, you could be like your child mother, child father, and y'all just fuck on them. I'm gonna just be honest. That's true. That's true. I'm just being honest. But at the bottom of the deck, I'm seeing an energy of betrayal, deceit, and lies and trickery here. This person is not right, especially when I seen that sex and dark magic to try to keep you on leash. Yeah, look, betraying a high priestess, whoever you are, you're very spiritually wise, you're spiritually in tune. I don't know, maybe you let your guard down to this person because you feel like you can trust them, but absolutely not. It's like this person is definitely betraying or manipulating some sort of manipulating your intuition in some form or fashion. I'm seeing that there's a tower moment. Messing with your intuition is like messing with the Most High because that's exactly where your gifts come from, and that's possibly where the karma came from because the dark magic may be what they use to infringe upon your free will. But that might be the betrayal that's right there. But again, this person clarifying this bad karma is a tower moment, unexpected events. You're too strong for that. Okay? Clarifying bad karma is the masculine energy, the ember. Whoever this person is thought they were bigger than the program or something like that. Like they can just do whatever they want because y'all had a child together. This might be a narcissist. Whoever this person is feel like they own you or own some sort of rights to you or something like that. Someone could possibly have air in their chart. Strong Libra energy could definitely be significant, but I'm seeing like there's an ending. Look, justice. There's definitely some sort of ending here. That's over with. That dark magic, whatever, if there was any lingering, it's over with. This person about to reap what they sow. This is cause and effect. And you're about to be abundant and prosperous, single, by yourself. That's what I'm seeing here. Stable, secure. This person, the spirit is about to release this person out of your energy because of what they did to the high priestess. Clarify wants you back. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. Wants you back. Clarify wants you back. I'm seeing victory here. You guys overcome this obstacle of them doing this dark magic. And with this chariot, I'm seeing you moving forward. There's an energy of victory. Yep. There's an energy of you guys moving on. But I'm also showing the moon here. Because, okay, moving on from the illusion, moving on from what was hidden. This also triggered some sort of spiritual enlightenment within you, this hermit where you go into solitude. You've gone through some sort of reflection as well, and see what you in regards to what you want, what you don't want. This person actually made change the way that you started seeing the perspective of how you started seeing things or how you was carrying yourself. They actually unlocked something in you that was possibly even dormant. There's an energy of mastery here, okay? I don't know. What is this mastery energy? Clarify this Eight of Pentacles, because it's like an energy of somebody mastering something, continue to work on something, trying to perfect something. Clarify this. Oh, this person trying to get away with something. Self-sabotage. So they keep trying to come back. And your energy, they keep trying, they keep working, they keep trying to perfect something, master something. And it's almost like an energy of self-sabotage. They're self-sacrificing themselves. I'm seeing them getting ready to get whacked with a stick. That's what I'm saying here. This person think they're getting away with it when they're not. Yeah, they're not. I feel like this person is trying to, yeah, trying to come back in or trying to act like some sort of ideal mate, wanting to celebrate with you, wanting to be with you, with this I want you back, wanting to reunite and reconcile with you. And I'm seeing like there is some sort of conflict here. I don't know. This might be spiritual warfare. This might be some sort of spiritual, conflict here. What is this Five of Wands? What is this Five of Wands? Yeah, like I said, like somebody getting whacked. This is like directly from like your spirits. Like we got the angels, your angels bringing balance to the situation. for your happiness. We got the Most High here. I'm not playing. It's like an energy of somebody in the Nine of Swords. There's energy of regret, remorse, anxiety, then some sort of self-imposed restriction. There's an energy of spiritual jail. And there's like some sort of protection around you. There's energy of you guys protecting yourself, placing boundaries. Not only in the physical, I'm seeing this is happening in the spiritual. Like maintaining some sort of control as judgment being called on the situation. They like what you want to do. Your ancestors see and everything. They like what you want to do because the wheel is definitely turning in your favor and you have so much good coming towards you. You have a new financial path, a new financial journey. I feel like whoever this person is tried to keep you from that by utilizing some sort of dark sex magic. You have good luck. They were feeding off of you. They possibly were even manifesting off of your energy. They knew you was some sort of star, some sort of spiritual being, some sort of wish fulfillment. That's what I'm seeing here. Look at them trying to extend some sort of offer to you out of regret, and you rejecting their offer, especially in regards to coming together as some sort of union. I see you being very crystal clear about how you feel. Is what I'm seeing here. Okay. Queen of Swords could definitely be significant. Aquarius. It could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else for the YouTube collective, please, Spirit? I see you releasing burdens. There's an energy of burdens being released from you because you were betrayed. You were backstabbed. The burdens of things that you were possibly experienced were not yours. It was something that someone was placing upon you, and I'm seeing them being released or removed. I'm showing that there is a water sign here, strong Pisces. That could be significant, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio could definitely be significant. I'm seeing an energy of juggling. I don't know. What is this? It could be a masculine or feminine energy, but I'm definitely seeing an energy of juggling financially. Yeah, this is the energy of somebody coming in slowly. They're coming in towards you slowly. Somebody might want some money from you. Somebody from your past. Somebody that possibly know you from childhood or something like that. Or it could be like a sibling of yours wanting to come together and work with you or something like that. You gotta be careful with, going to the past and having family members help you. Business and what is it called? Business and family or business and love. They don't. Because I'm definitely seeing an energy of somebody wanting to collaborate, but I am seeing in the end that there's going to be something that's not. It's like I don't know. You got a devil out here and stuff like that. There's an energy of backstab. Be careful. Don't work with people, especially whoever this person is from the past. Because I'm definitely seeing this person betraying you, backstabbing you, or something. They're coming out as very toxic. Very toxic. They're coming out as the devil energy. I'm seeing somebody in this energy of like restriction. This is the energy of like mental jail. It seems like somebody has been thinking a lot. I feel like whoever this person is sit up in the middle of the night and be thinking. I'm seeing a lot of anxiety and stress because of a missed opportunity with you guys with this Five of Cups. It's almost like an energy of this person experiencing some sort of loss, some sort of grief and feeling unwelcome, especially when it comes to your new beginning. And I'm seeing a choice. With the two of wands, it talks about making some sort of choice. What's going on with the two of wands? Yeah, I'm seeing a closing of a cycle. With the two of wands is the world card. There's a choice, a decision. Spirit says it's totally up to you what you want to do with this person. But what I'm seeing here is there's a cycle that is closed out. Whatever contract, whatever you had with whoever this person is, it's over with. It's been over since they did that dark magic that they potentially tried to hide from you. And Spirit had to lift and put that whack and that stick on to somebody. And it wasn't just the Most High, it was the spirit team. It was, shoot, you got archangels around you and all that. It's like, please, you think you bigger than the program. We got you. We got your number. With all that ego and that pride. That's what destroyed it. This person thought they can come in and run and just act buck wild and just change up and just rearrange and shift everything, even down to your energy. Not with the Empress peoples. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please hold